Hey.
My God, these are the days we've been waiting for.
Oh man, nice cold brew. Oh. You know how to do it right, my brother.
Not kidding.
Oh man. Oh, hey, how you doing, guys? You got Tom over here, Angel Diaz, Audi Volkswagen Fall River, over here enjoying a nice little root beer. Thank you, Tom.
Don't feel like a root beer.
Hey, you gotta have it.
Cheers.
Thank you, brother. Hey, guys, check this out. I want to talk to you about this 2022 Mercedes van. What is it? Conversion van Sprinter, right? Let's get to it. All right, everybody, how you doing? Angel Diaz here, Audi Volkswagen Fall River, and I just want to show you this 2022 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 cargo van, which it's now a conversion van that we turned into. And please come with me because I have a real treat for you. This thing is beautiful. They did a very great job with this design. As you can see, pebble gray. Also, they actually did a great job of putting over here a display of what you get inside of it. Kayla, that was all you. I know that was you, girl. All right, follow me, guys. MTV Cribs right now. Check that out. Automatic power doors. We're gonna go right inside and check out this beauty. First thing I do notice, you need this running boards just to get safely into the vehicle. And follow me right in, folks. Let me show you what you get for your money. As you can see, you gotta have these comfortable leather seats over here. You get your armrests, very comfortable. It feels like you're on a jet. Everything is nice and padded. One of the most comfortable chairs I've been in. And as you can see, I want you to come in and check out all the goodies in here. You do have some space to chill over here. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you a couple things. If you lift this up, if you gotta do it, you can do it. Do your duty right over here. You got your toilet right over here, right for you. We did not leave you hanging. Also, over here, you could open this up. You get a little bit of storage in here as well. Always useful. The more storage you have, the better. All right. Also, check this out. If you want to cook something, you want to put something on this electric heated stove over here, you also got it. It's a nice surface. Everything looks great. You got your sink over here. Water's already connected, ready to go. And obviously, you gotta have the fridge. You need your beverages. You need your snacks. You need your fruits when you're going on cross country. Absolutely, I love it. And what else? Let me see it. Oh, and you got a space to cool up some ice. I love it. Hey, it's margarita day. Let's do it. You need water? There it is. You can pump it, siphon it out, whatever you got to do. You do get a power outlet. You get your charging ports, USB over here, a 12 volt. This is for your lighting. Ooh, okay. We just discovered this. On and off. You slide on and off, and you got your lighting as well. And the one thing that stands out when you first come into this conversion van, as you can see, is you need to have this. This controls your coolant in the vehicle, and that's what you need, because if you're in Arizona somewhere hot, it needs to get cooled in here. All right. And last but not least, let's talk about this bed, baby. Yes. Take me with you. I have this on here. That's for that canopy that you seen outside when the video started. If you need to you know, if you want that extra shade, this is what you use. Very comfortable. You will sleep like a baby. Also, you got this little door over here. So if you got a little labradoodle, a pet or something, they can actually go in there. There is an exit on the other side as well. Or if you just want to use it for storage, that's another place where you can store your nice goodies in there as well. And now, let's go to the front so I can show you what this bad boy looks like when you want to drive around, because you are going to be nice and comfortable. Let's do it. Oh, wait. Guys, I almost forgot something. The most important part. You know, hygiene is important. So I do want to show you something. aside from this being a 4x4, like I said, 2500 Sprinter, also, you do get a tow hitch over here. 5,000 pounds you will be able to tow. But the most important thing that you do need, let me open this right up. You gotta be able to shower, baby. Put this right over here, get your little privacy going, and you're good to go. Also, when it comes to safety, let me put this right back over here. When it comes to safety, one thing that I do love, if you're somewhere in an area and you don't really know, it looks sketchy or anything, you do have some cameras up there. You will see what's happening around you. Nothing's gonna catch you by surprise, guys, all right? So now we're gonna go inside, like I mentioned, and we're gonna check out what it looks like, all right? Let's do it. Follow me. Oh my goodness, look at this beauty. Okay. First thing I noticed, you got your regular power windows over here. You adjustable mirrors. You need to have adjustable mirrors because I don't want to reach around the other side to adjust these mirrors. Lock buttons over here, and I don't know if you can see it from that angle, but you got your lighting right over here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. Love that. I want to sit on this bad boy, so let's check this out. Oh my goodness, this is comfy. Love it. Look at the steering wheel, feels good. Leather wrapped, love it. You got a few buttons over here. Also on this side, voice command, you can pick up, hang up calls. You got some sort of a digital cockpit over here with your original clusters. I love it. I just love the feel of this steering wheel. I can't believe it. I love it. Oh, check this out. A lot of gloss black. Check out how the vents are. I love the vents. It's a nice look. Obviously you have navigation on here. You have the ability to connect to Wi-Fi as well. If you're going out, you need to have your Wi-Fi, I'm telling you. Volume over here, let's see what I can do. Let's touch, what is this button? Oh, check that out. You can see everything, I'm telling you. All right, I do like that everything has a button, a physical button to it, and is nice and visible. So right here you do have your climate control, your comfort zone over here, temperature on one side. Oh, you can hit that button and it will open the door for you. Cup holders, you always got to have cup holders, and check this out. Ooh, look at this pretty key. Hold that button and we'll open that door, that side door for you as well. Love it. I just love this. What do we have over? Hey, check this out. We have cup holders. Now that's crazy. Got some vents over here. What's this button do? What? Gotta do something. Oh my goodness. Jackpot. All your charging ports are over here, USB-Cs. You do have another charging pad right over here as well. Oh my goodness, they thought about everything. Let's close this. And what else you have over here on top? Oh, you got some, check this out, some more storage. If you got to put some stuff right in there, you got that as well. And you got a couple different functionalities over here. You got your SOS button, just in case if you're in trouble, hit that sucker. Or your lighting over here as well. More storage in the passenger side. Love that as well. Oh man, this thing is just a beauty. And oh, you know what I want to try? I heard this thing has a swivel chair, so let's check that out. Let's find out how this works. And this is for what? Oh, for your extenders over here. Check this out. In, out, in, out. Love it. What else? Oh, right in the bottom, guys. See? Can I open this door or something? What am I gonna do? Well, you do have a lever for your swivel. Doesn't swivel much. Or maybe, oh, what is it? What's stopping me? All right, let's swivel this sucker. That's all the swivel you're gonna get. All right, folks, and there you have it. That is your 2022 Mercedes-Benz conversion RV van. Any other information on it, don't forget to give me a call here, 508-678-5555. Again, my name is Angel Diaz, Audi Volkswagen. Take care, everybody. Adios.